I was writing an article on Amazon affiliate product. The article was nicely written with pros and cons and conclusion added. When I came to providing link of Amazon product from where it should be purchased, I felt that the Mango plugin that I was using did not look like a professional method. Have a look. This does not look good at all. Otherwise, everything looks fine with the Amazon product link given. Have a look. If I click on the link, it will take me straight to Amazon product. Today, in this video, I will teach you a simple but professional method how to add the Amazon Buy Now button that will look great and impressive, which will give your site a better look and quite tempting for the buyers to click on the link to purchase. Hi and hello there, welcome to my channel where you can find videos on various topics. Watch my last video on trending quiz, how to create a quiz website. Very valuable video, that is where I have shown the importance of having a quiz edition to increase the site watch time. Now straight away let's go to the article which I am writing. Here you can see the Mango plugin that I am using instead of the Amazon Buy Now button. Here this is the one, but in case if you are using Gutenberg, then there is a plugin which is much better. I will show you the plugin. Have a look. Go to plugins, click on add new, and in the search button write ultimate blocks. So leave that and we will stick to our video requirement. Here search for Amazon Buy Now button images. Click on images and here you select the best image you feel is the right one for you. I will select this one. No, this one looks little better for me. I will click on and save the image. Let me choose the folder and name the image first. Let's view the image for a while to check if it is the right one. Yeah, that is fine. Next, I will go to the WordPress dashboard. Then I will open the article and here first I will save the product link and then delete that link. Now first we will bring the image. This is the one. Drag and drop. Let's do the SEO part for the image. Oh, the image is very large. Anyway, first we will preview and see, and then we will make the necessary changes. Refresh. Let's go little down and here it is. Oops, that looks big. Let's go back to the image and click on edit. Here you have the options to select. The thumbnail option is bad. Let's go back and select the second option, the medium one. And now first we will add the product link, then check the image alignment again. The center alignment is showing some problem. I have taken it as center, but it is showing as left alignment. Okay, let's refresh and see. That looks fine. The link is also working fine. Now another very important point that I want to add here is the disclosure. This disclosure is very important to comply with Amazon terms and conditions. If you don't follow this, then you can be in trouble. Now I will show you something very important. Let's write in here BG. This is a background remover of images. Certainly one of the best background remover. Bring in the image and drop it here. Instantly the background is removed. Download and save it. Now let's bring the image in the article. Let's keep it under this image. Now let's preview the article. Here you can see the image border. Now let's refresh and see the difference. Wow, this is so much better. You can feel the quality there. So, was this video helpful to you? If yes, then please don't forget to show your love by liking, commenting and sharing. Take care. Bye bye.